Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. I wish you all a happy Eid. Today I'm back with an Eid recipe, and this is my dad's favorite Eid lunch, and it's called Benachin. And this type of Benachin is red Benachin, so we have different types of Benachin. We have white one, we have red one, we even have the yellow one. So today we are going with the red one. That's my family's favorite, and for that here we have the pounded ingredients, and all that we have here is onion, black pepper, garlic, bay leaves, okay, green bell peppers, spring onions, and so on. So that's what we have blended here already, and in here we have our pounded tomatoes. So we have fresh tomatoes here, and I pounded it in a mortar. You can use a blender to do that. We also have some tomato paste. You need a very good brand of tomato paste. In the Gambia, the best so far is Jeja. So this is the best so far in the Gambia, and I'm using the smaller can. Okay, this is about 1 kg. Okay, so that's what I'm using. I may use more depending on the amount of rice I'm using. So Maggi cube, extra bay leaf to throw in our beef, and we also have some sea snail. Okay. This is an ingredient that you don't want to miss in this recipe. We also have some oil to fry it in, and some beef. It's Eid, so we're using lamb beef. Okay, added to that I put some salt. Okay, and mix it all together. The meat doesn't need any type of seasoning other than salt. The vegetables to throw in, we have cabbage, eggplant, and some carrots. Our pot is set. I add in some oil. The amount of oil is dependent on the amount of rice that you're cooking. So I'm cooking for a large number of people. It's Eid, so I'm using a large amount of oil. Our oil is hot. I'm first going to throw in the sea snail. So I will first throw in that and fry it for 1 minute before adding in my beef. Then goes in my beef. I also threw in some bay leaves to fry along with our beef. Now I'm going to cover it up and let all of the juices from the meat evaporate and get golden brown. Our beef is golden brown now. I'm going to add in my tomato mixture. Tomato paste also goes in, so all of the tomato paste goes in. Mix it all together. We're going to fry this until it is well done. Okay, as I always say, frying is the most important, so we're going to keep frying until this gets well done. One spatula full of these also goes in. That is the onion and the ingredients that we blended. So we're going to fry it all together until it gets well done. It is still frying. We are going to fry it further. Okay, we're going to keep frying it further until it gets really well. We don't want our Benachin to be bitter, because that's what happens when it is done. And when it is not well fried, it's going to be sour, so we don't want either of those tastes. So we're going to still fry until we get to the frying that we want. So our stew has been frying for a while now. It is set, so I added some water, and added more, and then put in my vegetables. In the meanwhile, we are separately steaming our rice, because it's a lot of rice, so be sure to steam it. Okay, for those abroad, if you don't have a steamer like the local one we use, you can wash your rice and put it in the microwave for about 3, 4, 5 minutes, and then it will get or yield you the same results. Our vegetables are set now, so I'm going to take them out. So after removing the vegetables, we're going to now add in our rice. So all the rice is in now. I'm going to put in the pounded ingredients that we had. Okay, the remaining pounded ingredients go in. So I added some Maggi bouillon in here. All right, so we're going to add that now. Mix it all together and taste to see what is missing. If the salt is missing and the black pepper and so on, we can add it at this level. Okay, if you also have some extra bell peppers, you can also throw them in at this stage. You don't need to pound that, just cut it and put it inside. So mix that all together and then cover our pot and allow the rice to cook. After 5 minutes, I'm going to lift all the rice, let the oil all go down. Okay, and then cover my pot again and allow the rice to cook. We'll be repeating this step 2 more times until the rice is finally cooked. Our rice is all set. You can see how fluffy it is. This is how you want it to be. There you have it.
Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.